Oh my god, don't break them. Oh my god, that was not the way to open it. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new video and I'm standing in another background. I have this little kind of design basket behind me because today we are speaking about or talking home stuff. It's an Ikea haul because I've been to Ikea. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. But also, I just moved to my own apartment, so I'm kind of getting things slowly but surely. And I just went to Ikea for the first time for my apartment yesterday. Also, if you're new here, I have a series of movie vlogs that I will link down below if you want to watch part 1, part 2, part 3, you know, all the whole packing and moving and unpacking and organizing and all these things. I'm a huge fan of these kind of videos, so I was very excited to make my own. And yeah, so today I am going to be sharing with you guys all of the things that I got from Ikea. Obviously, it is my first trip. I just needed to get some essentials from Ikea, as you guys know. And the first big thing that I got is a mattress. So the mattress is already in my bedroom. It is a 160 by 2 meters. It's a extra firm mattress because they said that the firm is for kids and then the extra firm is better for adults. So I got that one, and I'm still waiting on the bed frame that I'm getting from another company. And I am in the process of filming a bedroom makeover, so stay tuned for that. Everything is already ordered, it's coming in the way, and I'm going to be decorating and organizing the whole bedroom. As you guys know, I am a huge fan of interior design and decoration and everything like that. And also, Ikea Design is actually my brand about home decor. So if you want to check it out, I will leave it in the link down. I will leave the link in the description box. So let's get right into what I got from Ikea. So the first things I got from Ikea obviously are these basic little fake plants that everybody has. I just feel like they, from afar, they don't look that fake, and I'm a huge real plants kind of girl, so I am definitely going to go and get a lot of plants and little trees for the inside because I absolutely love nature, and I think greenery just brings life into interiors. So I got these just to bring a little bit of color, maybe one in the kitchen and one in the bathroom, or maybe in, I don't know exactly where, but I feel like anywhere it doesn't get too much light, then maybe this will brighten up a little bit. Then I got these sets of candles. This is 100 candles. Oh, 4 hours. Okay, cool. So these are 100 candles that have no scent, and then I got these candles that have strawberry and raspberry scents. I'm not a huge candle person. I just like the vibe of a candle being lit, but I'm very allergic to strong scents, so I can't have like any candle around. And these are very tiny, so if I have like 1 or 2 around the apartment, it's not gonna, you know, make me go crazy with allergies. And that is why I got 100 of non-scented ones, because I love the vibe of candles. I love the vibe of like little fires around the apartment at night. It's so chill and cozy, especially fall is about to come. They smell really good, but I'm pretty sure they're not going to be too strong because they're tiny. Then I got these 2 organizers. Obviously, whoever goes to Ikea goes first and foremost for organization stuff. So I got these just to organize my vanity that I have my TV on, and I feel like I have a lot of stuff and it's already organized, but I feel like if I have like compartments, it'll be even better. And if I move it or anything else, the things are not going to move around in the drawers. So I got these 2 for the vanity, and then I got these 2 drawer organizers for my closet because I only got 2 because I still don't know like if I will need any more. So this is going to be for the drawer where I have my underwear and my bras and everything, and then this is going to be for I completely forgot. I think I got this for my swimsuit drawer. I don't remember, but anyway, I will need 2 of them. Then I got this organizer for the kitchen drawer. Obviously, this is for utensils, and my utensils are all over the place right now, so I'm very excited to get these. There's this one in white, and I've wanted this one in white, but there's another one that's smaller and in gray. I didn't really like the color, so I got this one. Still on the organization aisle and on the organization kick, I got these 2 plastic baskets. So these are white. They are, obviously I will be linking everything that I got in this video in the description box, so you can click it and go straight to the product if you want to purchase it or anything, and it will tell you if it's available online or in the store. But these I think I'm going to use in the kitchen, just because I have a cabinet underneath, and I just want to be able to organize. I have a lot of bottles and shakers and stuff like that, and I feel like it's better for me to have them here, so I can just like pull this up, have everything I need and see it, and then pull it back, if that makes sense, because I do use a lot of shakers and bottles around the day. And then I got this shelf, this black shelf. It is super simple, but I have to, if you watch my moving vlogs, then you know that I have a lot of shelves, a lot of shelving in my closet, and I want to organize my shoes in there, and I feel like it's large enough for me to have another shelf in between the shelves and just put, because I have a lot of shoes and I still don't know where to put them or how to organize them. So I got these, I got 2 of them just so I can like play with it. Maybe if it doesn't work in the shelving for the shoes, then it will work in the closet, the next the closet next to it, where there's a lot of space under my clothes hanging. So my clothes are hanging really high, so I have a lot of space underneath, and I feel like these will be definitely of use if they don't work in the shelving for the shoes. And also I feel like they're super simple, super easy to use, and you can just have them like right by the door, for example, and just put your most used shoes in there. And you can also use them like in different, like in the bathroom or something like that. So yeah. Then I got this little cart for the bathroom. So in the bathroom next to the sink I have space, and I don't have storage there, and I need it for my makeup, and I have a lot of things, you know, that I brought from my beauty room from my parents' house. So it's all on the wall in the bathroom, and it's not organized well enough. So I'm going to use this right by the sink so I can have all of my skincare and all of my makeup and everything like that, and it's super easy. And I got it in black because I feel like there's a little bit of black accents in the apartment, and I want to keep that. And so yeah, very nice. And I feel like this, if you don't use it in the bathroom, you can also use it in your, next to your desk. You can use it in the kitchen. I might get another one for the kitchen. I still don't know, but I feel like they're very nice to have. Then I got this salad bowl just because I feel like I need a lot of bowls in the kitchen right now. Just too many things. I feel like when I'm cooking, I need different bowls for different reasons, and I feel like this salad bowl is going to be very nice, first of all for salads, but also if I want to, I don't know, like make potatoes and season them, like, you know what I mean? So this will come in handy. Also for the kitchen cabinet, I got this little one that I feel like would blend really well with the kitchen cabinet. They have it in red, they also have it in white, but I feel like this color is more easy to use in my cabinet, just because it is a light colored wood. Inside I have these 2 tea little things. I have a lot of loose tea and I don't have a kettle, so, and I don't like using a kettle because it's a lot of tea, so I feel like these are really nice to have, just to put a little bit of loose tea in it and just have it in your mug instead of like having a whole kettle to make tea. And also this is what I needed, this is what I'm going to use this for. So I have a lot of tea and a lot of coffee, so I'm going to organize this and put it like over the coffee station that I have in the kitchen, instead of just have everything everywhere, if that makes any sense. I just like organizing my things. I don't like things to just be scattered around. I like things to be in categories, and I feel like Ikea is made for me. Then I got this glass bottle. I feel like it's very simple, obviously very easy to use, and I feel like this little bottle topper is very cute. So yeah, just very sleek, very simple, just how I like it. Also for the kitchen, I got this little organizer in wood. I feel like this is going to be very much in handy. This is going to come in handy when it comes to organizing, you know, bottles and juices, and just think, if you know what I mean, if you know me, or I've said that in my moving vlogs, I buy things in bulk, not too much of a bulk, but I buy things like 2-3 units because I don't feel like going back to the store every time something ends. So this is going to be very important for me because I will be able to put everything in it while I'm using the other drinks. Does that make any sense? I don't know. Oh my god, don't break them. Then I got 6 of these glasses. They are so cute and so simple. I feel like these will be great for, you know, whether it's for me or for hosting or for having my friends over, for drinks and everything. So I feel like they're really cute. And then I got 6 of them because I only know how to get 6 of everything. I grew up in a 6-people family, so I get 6 of everything. And still in the same theme of getting 6 of everything, I got 6 of these wine glasses. Super simple, not, oh my god, that was not the way to open it. I feel like they're very sleek, simple. We all know a very simple wine glass, but also they're not expensive. So I feel like Ikea is a good deal for these kind of things. So yeah, this is everything that I got from Ikea. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys stick around and subscribe to my channel, the button right here. You can subscribe, like this video, it really helps out a lot. If you want to follow me on Instagram and see my stories and how I organize things and do things on a daily basis, go ahead and follow me there. You can follow me on Kareli Design's Instagram as well, and I will link everything in the description box if you want to check it out. Make sure you tune in for the bedroom makeover. Hopefully it will be up next week. I will make sure that I get everything delivered this week and get everything in order. I will also be organizing my closet in that video, and I will see you in the next one.